Okay, October 21st, 2011. This is a construction progress video for the Dos Gringos food cart. Essentially what I got done tonight was I finished attaching the water tower carcass to the cart, and essentially what that entailed was adding quite a few more lags. What I did was I bought some 1 1/4 inch lags and attached them in the ends into the cart body, and then essentially I did the same thing in the center and then down on the other end as well. So you can see it goes into the side wall cart body studs, and then the cart frame, or the top for the cart frame as well. Then I added some other lags that about, I think they're 4 inches, and then I just lagged them right up into the bottom plate of this water tower carcass. And then I went ahead and put the 1/4 inch ply on each end of the water tower, and then I temporarily attached the display case to the cart top as well. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint the interior of the display case, and get ready for the trim pieces and the laminate that goes on that. Another thing I did was I drove some screws through again, the top plate of the cart body into that 3.5 inch piece of 2x4 that I put in, or added to the top, which allows me to attach that perforated angle iron. So anyway, all in all, this thing feels pretty stout, and I don't know how I can make it integral to the cart structurally speaking, any more than what I've done. So I think I'm done with that attachment portion anyway. It doesn't look too bad. I think it'll look a lot better once I get it finished with the metal and everything else. But that is the progress for today.